Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Logging Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to find USPS location. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open USPS mobile app. You can see over here USPS mobile application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options for track, inform delivery, buy stamps, prices, click and ship, locations, zip codes, etc. So if you want to find the USPS location, simply tap on the locations option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the USPS locations. From this interface, you'll be able to search for nearby post office locations, collection boxes, etc. All you have to do is simply enter the city, state or zip code over here. Or instead of that, you can also use current location. If you want to do that, you'll be able to find the option for use current location over here. Simply tap on it. Otherwise, simply enter the city, zip code or state. Here I'm just going to enter the zip code. Now once you do that, you'll also be able to select the location types. Right now post office is selected. If you tap on this field, you'll be able to find other options as well. Simply check on the options of your choice. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on the search option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply scroll down and you'll be able to find various locations. You can also simply tap on the location of your choice. After that, you'll be able to find more details regarding that location. You'll be able to find the address. Also, you'll be able to see the opening hours over here. If you scroll down, you'll also be able to see the map over here. So like this, you'll be able to find the location. So that is how you find USPS location. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.